Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to fix login issue on Chatgpt. So first, you have to simply open the Chatgpt and then you have to make sure that you're entering the right credentials of your account for login. But let's say it still doesn't work. In that case, you have to head towards the settings. Once you get there, you have to go to the journal. Click on this journal option and then click on iPhone storage, and after that you will find all the apps. So from all these apps you just have to simply look for ChatGPT. Once you find it, you just have to simply open it up and then click on offload app. Once it get offloaded, then you have to again click on reinstall app and wait for the app to get reinstalled. Once the app gets reinstalled, you just have to simply open it up again and again try to log in with your account. If it works, good, but if does not, then you have to simply get back again and go to settings once again. Once you get to the settings again, then you have to again go to this general option. And after that, you have to scroll down and click on this option VPN and device management. Once you get there, make sure you're not connected to VPN. If so, then you have to just simply disconnect it. And you have to again get back and make sure you're connected to a stable internet. You have a good speed. Once everything is fine, you just have to simply get back and again try to log in with your account on ChatGPT. This time it will work, but still say it doesn't work, then you have to simply head towards the App Store, and once you get there you have to search for ChatGPT. From the results you have to look for if there's any update available. You have to update it. If that's okay, then you have to open it up and then go to the ChatGPT and just simply try to log in with your account. You can either go with your Apple, Gmail, or any other sort of email. Once you do so, you will see that you will get successfully logged in your account. And here you can see right now I have successfully logged in with my account. You can also do it. So that's how you can fix the login issue on ChatGPT. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel and thank you for watching the video.